Oh, that's a Welsh sign, I think. Oh, is it not?
No, I think it's just a... Oh, it says Powys. Is that Welsh?
Oh yeah, Pals.
Oh, there you go.
Powys.
Welcome to Wales.
Hey! Alana's first time in Wales.
I've been to Wales before.
To give you some idea on who is who on this trip, first up we have Gary. He's organised this trip and will be leading it. He has his daughter with him and she's going to be on gate duty at the front. Next up we have Paul, and he has a very special 4-legged passenger with him that he'd only collected just over 24 hours prior to this outing actually happening. Next up we have Michael on dogs in his lovely white Freelander 2. And then last but definitely no means least, we have Tony in his rather nice blue Freelander 2. And me and Alana are at the back of the pack with me on gate duty.
You just like dog footage.
Yeah, dog footage wins all the time. The dog's like, nah, not today.
No. A bit nervous.
Oh,
Oh, bless you. Hello. Oh, so cute.
It's all new, eh?
Oh,
It's all new, isn't
so
it?
scary.
It's all new.
It's when you don't come back with a ball and you chuck your proper far. That's when you're buggers.
Sit, drop, drop.
Oh, let's go.
let's go. Somewhere completely new for us.
Let's break the water's neck.
Yeah. Oh yeah, break.
Water break its neck.
Water break its neck is first up. And that's probably the only bit I know of.
Your hood's inside out. You've got like a fluffy head.
I got a fluffy head.
You got a fluffy head.
Don't mind me.
Don't mind our knocking. Did you get lots of dog footage?
I think I got lots of dog pictures, which I'll insert here, and here.
Yeah.
This is so weird doing a drive out that we've never
I was
done
going to say
before.
literally no idea of like this place, area or anything.
So providing they don't leave us behind at any point, then we should be laughing.
It'll be all good.
Oh, gravy.
I like gravy.
It is literally going to seem like the last video because we have Paul in front.
Oh, yeah,
It's almost
that's
like
a good
deja
shot.
vu.
Yeah.
Paul is the star of the show. So hi Paul, in the future.
Yeah, I went as far as the sign.
Yeah.
I was just reading the sign and then realised, like, to start with, I couldn't understand it, and then I realised I was reading the Welsh bit.
By the way, everyone on YouTube land, this is going to be a lot basic. This footage, I'm not going to have like 6 million camera angles just because editing's a nightmare.
Just because he's lazy.
Yeah, I'm
He's
lazy.
just making excuses now, isn't he?
But hopefully Wales should be beautiful enough for you
I was going
anyway.
to say Wales is pretty. Must admit, the camera angle I've got in the window, I'm not so sure about, but we'll roll with it. It's
Looks
okay.
pretty good to me.
Yeah, I think it is.
And just to give you a heads up that this is a hill in real world, but unfortunately for the camera, it's going to be completely flat.
Yeah. You know how you said earlier we keep going downhill, so we're going to have to go uphill?
Yep.
There you go.
We found the uphill bit.
We did. And we're giving our new tyres a workout.
Oh yeah, we're christening our new tyres.
Christening our
Falcon
Wild
Peaks.
Yeah, I forgot what they were.
Ultra AT3W,
Oh,
I think
W.
actually listed as.
Oh, what's the W mean?
Wet? Wild?
Ah.
Wales? Wicked.
I hadn't thought about that actually.
Oh.
I must admit, the AT is obviously all terrain.
How are they gripping?
Well, I ain't slid into a bank yet, have I?
No Slippy Slidey yet?
Not yet. We appear to be doing okay.
We appear to be going into a forest.
We do, don't we?
Oh, turn that up a bit.
What?
Who? Just realised that I turn it down so it don't make us jump.
What?
Who? What? Where?
I'm just going to try and put your arm in the bush.
You probably will anyway. Probably have thorns.
Looks like we'll need closing after.
By the way, could you imagine if we found some slippy stuff and we just did nothing but slip?
That would be...
Like if the tyres were really bad in the wet. Actually, that would be really bad because I think 3 out of these 5 cars have all got the same tyres.
Good point, actually.
At different stages in their lives.
Yes. I don't know why I'm pointing out the front. Everyone can see out the front.
Oh, I think Paul's just got lost.
There's a tratter on the hill. I'm not sure if the
Yeah.
GoPro can make that out.
I think Paul just missed the track a little bit then.
I've never seen farming on a hill before.
If you have a farm on a hill, right,
Yeah.
would you have one tyre that's big, like one wheel that's bigger than the other if you run it on the hill and then you have to flip it the other way around?
Yeah, because they run a 500 profile tyre on the inside,
Yeah.
but they run a 600 profile on the other
You
side.
see my thinking.
I see your thinking. But it keeps it completely level.
Hill sheep. For YouTube, on our right hand side on the hill, there is some hill sheep.
Bear.
In which case, a hill sheep has 1 leg or 2 legs longer than the other.
And a black face, according to Paul.
Yeah.
He was joking.
It's a different type. It's a different brand of sheep.
Different brand?
I almost pressed the mic button on CB.
Do you want to replace that with breed?
What
or
did
you
I
go
say?
brand?
Oh, yeah. Nah, that works too.
The Morrison brand versus Tesco brand.
brand of sheep.
Another gate to close.
I love gates.
I wanted to say something, but I didn't know what.
Oh, and down the roller coaster and using Paul to stop.
Oh, don't joke about
Do
that.
you think Paul ever looks in the mirror and goes, are they stopping?
Yeah.
Are they stopping?
Yeah.
And do you know what Gary really likes?
What's that?
White wheels.
Gary is the biggest lover of white wheels. He owns a black car,
Yep.
but how am I going to stop on this hill? Gary has a black car with black wheels, but he absolutely loves our white wheels. And yeah, biggest fan. #1 fan of the white wheels.
Oh.
I'm in a
Nailed
different
it.
mode, aren't I? And I
Yeah.
kind of forgot.
Practice start. Is this still a practice start? Because Michael's on the trip.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's always a practice start.
It's always a practice start.
I love her hair.
Quality hair.
Pretty hair. Hey, you're kind of cute. Oh look, I always think sheeps look so cute when they run.
Yeah.
Why can't I call sheep? Like a singular sheep, anything other than sheeps ever since watching Clarkson.
Yeah.
Hey! Oh, you're cute. Yo, I like the way they all look. Oh look, that one's me as well. I was having a munch while slowing down. Do they ever accidentally lose their balance and roll down the hill?
So many questions. Could you imagine if you just saw a rolling sheep? You'd be so happy.
No, because I'd have to go and pick it up and help it.
Yeah, but if it landed on its feet.
Oh yeah, that'd
If it
be
would
fine.
literally.
Quiet closing.
That'd be fine. Be quiet a minute. I'm trying to talk about sheep. But it'd be like I don't know. It'd just be like a cloud rolling down the hill, or like cotton wool or something rolling down the hill.
Like if it styled it out, like rode down the hill and then just on its
got-
feet
carried on
and just
walking.
carried on trotting. Look at that view.
Beautiful.
Voulez view.
beautiful.
Stunning.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just in awe of this place.
Ooh.
It's like it's I've never been into I've been to Wales and been round Wales, but I've never been off the beaten track in Wales.
You're always on the normal road.
Yeah, it's like Wales is stunning on the roads, but then you come off road
Sploosh coming up.
and you see it up close and personal. It's like wow.
Yeah.
Wee.
It's a bit up and down there.
Little butt.
Paul Splashers just got our windscreen.
Oh no, Paul!
You splashed on our windscreen.
You splashed us. Less splashes, please. By the way, unless this is really rocky footage, how's Our Tyres look in YouTube? They probably look much the same, actually.
Oh.
Very grippy.
I thought you meant from the thing on the windscreen.
Yeah, from the windscreen.
Like, geez.
Come on, YouTube, use VR. Look around. Oh, how epic would that be to have a 360 camera so people actually look
That would
around?
be quite cool. I do like the idea of them 360 cameras, but I feel like there's going to be downsides to them.
Yeah, the expense,
No, yeah, there's that.
the sheer amount of memory cards you'd have to buy.
Exactly. fact that they're one of them, they'll be great, but
Yes. Maybe in the future when GoPro sponsor us. Sponsor us, GoPro.
I don't want a GoPro. Well, I wouldn't say no to a GoPro one, obviously, but I like,
DJI.
yeah, that one.
Yeah.
No, Insta.
Oh, the Insta360.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, before this trip happened, you said that you wanted something a bit more slippy slidey. I feel like we're already there. It's a bit more slippy
Little bit more slippy slidey, yeah. But not slippy, too slippy slidey. It's just a little bit of wet stuff. That's what I'd call this so far. Quite like this trip.
This is already amazing.
Nice views, good cars, good people.
Good company.
Oh, there's a better splash coming up on my side. I like the fact when everyone goes through a puddle, it's like steam.
Steamy.
Paul has to make a big sploosh, doesn't he?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, I make quite a good sploosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Oh, this is so much better.
What?
The car's going down the hill. It's not just sliding.
Oh,
I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah.
Alana,
Yeah.
we're going up in the world.
Yeah, we are.
We're going places.
We are. We are very much going up. Moving on. Moving on.
now. Time to break free. Nothing can stop me. Yeah.
Your gate is open.
Thank you. I giggled while I think I'm a bit of a rookie to this CB thing.
What? You're not meant to laugh?
I just forget when to take my finger off the button sometimes.
Are you actually pushing it though?
Sometimes I'm probably saying thank you or like gate close and I'm not even pressing it.
It was like
I'm gonna switch camera permission. Twist the camera around.
Oh, Michael, he makes
Focus up ahead as well.
he makes me laugh.
Slippy slide.
The view is gorgeous.
It is beautiful. One day you're going to drop that. Or I expect the camera to fall out the case. Also, you'll bring it back in. You'll just pick up the stick.
I'm expecting one day that I won't even notice that I've got the stick.
No.
I'll just put it
I
back.
will have to just completely retrace where we've been.
And there'll just be a GoPro set somewhere.
Yeah.
Squeaky. Squeaky there.
Oh, look at him. Hey, he's a little nose. Can you see his little nose?
I can't focus on him though.
Oh, maybe we'll see him on the video. That's cute.
To give YouTube an idea, Paul's owned that dog. He was just
Since
saying for
yesterday.
for 24 hours. Literally, that's all he's owned the dog, and the dog is so obedient. Literally, it's by his side.
He is. Wow, that's so pretty. I like the fact from where I can see, I can literally just see the distance. I can't see the drop down.
It's just unreal. Oh wow, the angle of the dangle.
Oh, someone scalped that nicely. Oh, yeah, partly us.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Probably everyone, the way that just dragged.
Everyone in the group just touched it. I'm getting a bit thrown around.
Seatbelt just locked and throttled me. Hey, oh, turn to cross.
Sheep's at A-Cross now.
You're welcome. Well, that's quite rutted, isn't it?
I think I see a lumpy bumpy bit coming up.
Oh. It'll either kill or cure or not.
Did you suddenly hit the lumpy bumpy bit?
I hit a little bit of a lumpy bumpy bit, and then I also
got throttled by the
got
seatbelt.
throttled by the seatbelt. Yeah, seatbelt's just out to throttle me today, isn't it?
A little bit.
I still feel like that squeal is like the window crying for help.
I would be if I kept
like
getting
crying for mercy.
lifted up, down, up, down.
Yeah, me too. I'd be a terrible window.
Yeah, you just get bored. You just be like, no, such a.
I'd be like the Clio's window.
I'm
Be like,
sleeping. Ooh. You could literally crawl over this and just first in idle.
Pretty much. We'd probably stall though.
Yeah, that's true.
There's a reason why I'm not doing like exactly.
This gate will need closing, please.
Thank you.
That was very breathy, thank you.
It was, wasn't it?
Thank you.
Sometimes I think I forget to breathe.
Oh.
They're black-headed sheeps.
Because I'll mix with like...
The white-headed sheep.
Yeah, the white-headed, or there'll be turf wars.
If you mixed a black-headed sheep with a white-headed sheep, would it make a grey sheep?
Oh.
This gate is open. Well, it actually fell off.
It's been gate too long. Gate has done gate too long.
That sheep's wagging his tail. It's like, wee.
They look like they need a bit of a wash.
Do a good jet wash. Oh, look,
Yes.
they're running. Hey.
It's feeding time. Every day I'm jiggling.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
By the way, if there's plastic wrap on a fence, what does that mean? It because sheep fluffers mean
Plastic
sheep.
Plastic sheep.
Plastic sheep.
Oh, speed.
Oh, second gear.
Only briefly.
Yeah. By the way, this cheap coffee is actually really nice.
It's actually.
Do you want to try a bit?
I'm okay, thank you.
It's nice. It's going down well.
Yay. What one's that? That was the latte macchiato.
Vanilla.
Oh yeah, vanilla latte macchiato. Does it trigger you because I said macchiato?
No, but it'll trigger the whole of the internet if I put that in. It's not macchiato.
It's now, because I said so.
Could you imagine if you just can't stop in time?
Yeah.
I had that on the motorbike once.
Oh really?
Someone rode into
What?
the back of me.
I was going to say...
Really
Oh, I
awkward.
thought you meant you couldn't stop. I was thinking, oh, is that
No.
one of the times you went in a bush?
Yeah.
Grip Ben!
Grab it. Jesus.
I see a grip Ben!